Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to reset oil life on 2017 Ford Explorer. This is gonna be the same for the Ford Explorers from 2011 and all the way up to 2019. Also, this is gonna work on a lot of Ford vehicles, basically from 2011 and up. So to start with, we're gonna start the vehicle first. Now we're gonna do everything on these controls that are on the left hand side of the steering wheel, and we're gonna follow this screen here. So to start with, I'm gonna press this left arrow. I'm gonna switch to this screen here. Now I'm gonna scroll down all the way to the settings. I'm gonna press OK. Now I'm gonna press OK for the vehicle, and now we have here oil life reset, so you wanna press OK on that. And now we need to hold OK, this OK button, for a few seconds until we get oil life to 100%. So I'm gonna do that now. I'm holding it. And now we have oil life to 100%. So you want to do that oil life reset if you get a message change oil soon, or if you just changed your oil, you can set up your oil life to 100%. Thanks for watching. Bye.